Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2015 Fontaine 45'x102 aluminum combo air ride suspension. Tandem closed axle, folks. Is a nice unit. Been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Undersides in excellent condition. Brand new kingpin plate just put in, all new structure. As we come down the passenger side, brand new buyer's toolbox. Beam condition is great, nice and cleaned up, ready to come work for you. Air ride suspension, aluminum outer rim with steel rim on the inside. Brand new tread all the way around. Brand new brakes and drums. Universal mounting kit, adjustable Princeton, Moffett, many other brands. Let us know what you have, or take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. We have lots of lifts available to make a combination setup for your purchase. As I said, aluminum outer rim, brand new rubber, brakes and drums, brand new straps on all our trucks and trailers, refurbed ratchets. Landing gear has been checked and verified that the gears are all working for you. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lift.com, and give us a call. We greatly appreciate your time. More than happy to answer any questions you might have.